Hi, I'm Sherrie Hewson and I'm here today at the Cosmetic Skin Clinic to talk about my skin. I'm also in a business where you're on television and you're constantly looking back at television programs and films of a young skin and a person that you used to be. Now, when I look in the mirror, I don't see who that person was. So consequently, I have a problem because I have had things done before in the past. I've had a facelift in 2000, but that's 18 years ago, so I've now dropped, as you can see. So I believe in maintenance. So that's the reason I'm here today, to say, let's look in the mirror, let's see who I am, let's see if we can help a little bit and make me feel a bit better and give me some more confidence. So what's been recommended to me are 4 different treatments, and the first one is called ULTHERAPY. Now this is a very deep treatment and it lifts and tightens the skin, and of course all of us want it to work now, but it doesn't. You have to wait 3 months and possibly 6 before you'll see the results, so I've got to be patient. So the second treatment is Profhilo. So I have a big problem with my neck. So this is a treatment that is injected into the neck, and it's sort of like a tightening, or shall I say more of a remodeling. And so eventually it will smooth some of these lines away. That's what it will do, smooth and lift. So the third treatment is called Tixel, and I'm having it to my face and neck. Now this is a heat treatment, which sounds scary, but it isn't. And it's really to stimulate collagen. This is perfect for somebody like me. So the final one is called Dermal fillers. When you're this age, you're what they call empty. Your face empties of muscle, texture, everything. So you need a little bit of something in your face to support your face. This is going to be very subtle. I don't mean the balloon, what I call duvet face. I don't mean that, that would be wrong. But it's just a slight subtle lift just to support here, to help me flesh it out, sort of to give me a bit of cushioning, but very subtly, so that you probably wouldn't even notice.